What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about the 4 tools that you need to run a successful laundry business. The thing about the laundry business is if you wanted to start your own, it doesn't cost that much. If you wanted to start your own, you don't need that much experience. But in this video, I'm going to give you the tools that I use, and I'm going to give you the tools that you can use if you wanted to start your own, or if you're already in the process of starting your own, or if you already started your own and want to switch, or however you want to do it. But in this video, we're going to talk about the 4 tools that you need to run a successful laundry business. Okay, number 1, the 4 tools that you need is pretty much a scheduling. The first one that you need is a scheduling software. I use a company called CleanCloud, and pretty much the scheduling software, what it allows you to do is it lets people book a pickup time and a drop-off time on a platform. Meaning, if somebody can click on it on your website and then schedule a pickup, then you know what time to pick them up, you know what the address is, you know the person's phone number, you know that person's email address, and it's a software that you can use to keep track of all your pickups and deliveries, all your orders, the workflow, how much money you're making, every customer's information, logins, anything like that you need to know. You have a software that you use to pretty much keep track of everything. The software is what you're going to use to pretty much run the company. It's going to be what you use to run the business. But that software, like I said, doesn't have to be expensive. I pay less than $350 a month for the software, and the software pretty much does everything. Okay, so like I said, you could use it to send text messages, you can use it to send email alerts, you can use it for the promotions, you can use it to set up your app, you can use it to set up your website. You can pretty much use the software to pretty much get you started. But once you build a brand, you pretty much use the software to have a place where people can go and book and actually, you know, buy your service, actually like pay you money to provide the service that you're providing. Okay. The second thing that you're gonna want to do, the second tool that you're gonna want to have is DocuSign. So you are gonna be going around to laundromats asking for partnerships. You go to a laundromat, you say, hey, I want to come to you. I see you guys do the wash, dry, and fold. You know, is there any way that for me you can give me a discount? I know you do $150 for the wash, dry, and fold. Is there any way you can do $130 for me? You know, because I'm gonna go and bring you a lot of customers. I'm gonna go and bring you a lot of clients. I'm gonna make sure your machines are turning. I'm gonna make sure that you're actually, you know, making money in this business. So is there any way that you can give me a discount? And when those people say yes, when those people agree to do some type of business with you, some people will even let you use certain spaces in their facility for the drop off and pickup, so that you have somewhere to go. So whenever your driver brings up the clothes, there's a place in the back, or the place in the corner, or the place in the closet, wherever it is that you can use to your advantage, right? But there's other places where they do the work for you. So there are companies, there's some laundromats that have nobody there, and there's some laundromats that have a full service. Meaning the ones that have nobody there, you can use, you don't have to worry about contracts, you don't have to worry about anything like that, right? But the ones that have people there, they do all the work already. Those are the ones that you go and you say, hey, I want to form a partnership. I want to form some type of pretty much a partnership that says, you know, you're gonna let me use the facility, or when I drop off clothes, you're gonna do it for $150 instead of $130 instead of $150, whatever it is. But you're gonna want to use DocuSign, because the thing about DocuSign is it lets you send a contract, a partnership agreement to whichever company you're working with. Whatever laundromat said yes, they're willing to, you send an agreement to them that says, hey, you know, this is my company, this is your company. You said you're gonna do it for this price, and you can terminate this contract at any time. You're gonna use DocuSign to send those contracts. Okay, so at the end of the day, you're gonna have a bunch of people that are in your network, a bunch of companies that are actually willing to let you do laundry in their facility, a bunch of people that understand that whenever you come through the door, they're gonna treat you special. And like I said, you have it all on paper, you have it all on contract. So when you go and something bad happens, or something happens, you say, hey, you're responsible for my clothes. You see this contract that says you're responsible for my clothes? Yeah, okay, there you go. Hey, you know, he's like, hey, you're responsible for making sure that, you know, the clothes don't get torn, or no clothes get lost. Oh, we're missing 2 socks? Hey, remember this contract that says you can't miss any 2 socks, so you have to pay us? Well, here you go. So the contract pretty much lets you arrange it to where if the people that are doing your laundry for you, something bad happens, they're held liable. And so, like I said, you're going to want to use DocuSign to pretty much send those agreements when you form those partnerships, okay? The third thing that you're going to want to do, the third tool you're going to use is social media platforms. Things like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube are going to help you get clients. Whether you make videos on just commercials talking about what you do and how you do it on Instagram, you can run Instagram ads. Things like Google Analytics are going to help you get more customers, because if your page is ranking #1 on Google, if you're ranking top 3 when people type in laundromats near me, or laundry business near me, or mobile laundry near me, then you're going to be able to make more money than other people. Because there are people who aren't going to rank, there are people who aren't going to be able to, you know, have the website be as good as yours. There are people that aren't posting or aren't as active. There are people who don't understand, you know, how to engage with the customers, the clients, the followers. But when you understand the social media aspect of it, it puts you in it gives you the advantage, because like I said, whoever gets to the customer customer first wins, and whoever pleases the customer the best wins too. So it's one of those things where not only, like I said, if you're ranking #1 page on Google, not only are the customers getting to you and you're getting more customers, but if you actually have a nice website when they click on it, if you actually have software that people can book on it, then it makes it easier. Then you're more likely to get people because the friction is not there. People can just, decide they want your service, see your service, and then the process is easy for them, okay? And so like I said, this is as simple as it gets, okay? The last and final one, the last tool that you're gonna need is some type of tool for your drivers. The tool that I use, my CleanCloud account, they have it to where if I want to, someone wants to, if I need something picked up and if I can't do it myself, or I don't have a friend that can do it, or I don't have any workers that can do it, I can get DoorDash to do it. They have an integration with DoorDash where a DoorDash will literally put on their app, hey, go pick up this clothes and take it to wherever I need them to take it. And then of course DoorDash pays me, I put funds into an account, and then it just pretty much does it automatically when the person books it. But it's one of those things where you might need drivers as you scale. You might need drivers as you make more money. But instead of having to go and hire your own drivers, instead of having to worry about all the taxes and all the liabilities, all the contracts and the interviews and all that, all you simply have to do is turn on a switch that says allow DoorDash to be able to pick up my orders, okay? So it's one of those things where as long as you have a driver or employee, because one of the days you might need somebody, if you aren't going the route, because like I said, there are laundromats that don't have anybody there, and there are laundromats that do have people there. Full service is like the people there wash your clothes, dry your clothes, check you in when you get there. Some of them you just walk in, it's called self-serve. You pretty much serve yourself, right? If you have a self-serve laundromat, what you can actually do is pay somebody to sit there all day and do laundry. So if you don't want to pay somebody, $1.50 to sit there and do all the laundry for you, you can have your own person. You can pay an employee, you can pay a friend, you can pay a family member, whatever it is. But you, at the end of the day, you can pay people to pretty much sit there and do laundry for you. Why? Because there's nobody in the laundromat doing the laundry, and the laundromat is open to whoever wants to come and do it. They might have good prices, they might have cheap machines, so you go in there, you get somebody to do the machines, you get somebody to do the wash, dry, and fold, and at the end of the day, you're making money because somebody's there working for you as an employee. But like I said, that comes down with 1099s and W-2s, but that's a little harder. But at the end of the day, like I say, just find software like CleanCloud that literally lets you integrate, that already has DoorDash integrated, so all you have to do is simply just allow people to allow DoorDash drivers to pick up your orders, and it's like I said, it's as simple as it gets. But those are pretty much the 4 to 5 tools that you need. Like I said, you need a scheduling software, you need laundromat partnerships, contract software, you need social media, and you need software for your drivers, software for your employees. And kind of like I said, all those things can be found on the one platform that I use, which is pretty much called CleanCloud. CleanCloud is not, like I said, this is not, I'm not supported, it's not a promotion. This video is not, they're not paying me to make this video. But at the end of the day, that's what I use. I'm just letting you know. It has everything that I need, and it's pretty much what I use to pretty much make my company successful. And then kind of like I said, even when I didn't run any ads, even before I did Google ads, I literally was making money off of it, okay? So, like I said, if you found this video helpful, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. That's all I have for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.